Mailchimp versus Aweber, which is the best email marketing software? Hey guys, today I'm going to give you guys a concise comparison between Mailchimp and Aweber and the different price plans that they have, the platforms and the usability and overall appeal of their platforms. And then I'm also going to give you guys a view on what other people have said about both of these platforms. Now let's jump right into their pricing, start the comparison. Now Mailchimp is a bit more complicated in their pricing because they have a free version and then they have 3 paid version, while Aweber really does keep it simple with 1 free version and 1 pro version. Now for the free version on Mailchimp, you are going to get a 2,000 contact limit and you can only send emails to 2,000 contacts, where you can have your marketing CRM, creative assistant, website builder, and Mailchimp domain. Also, you will have forms and landing pages. You can send up to 5,000 emails to your 2,000 contacts, and that's a lot of emails. And it's basically unlimited in terms of emails, but they have a subscriber or contact limit. While on the Aweber free plan, you will get 0 to 500 subscribers, so you cannot send emails to more than 500 people. But if you're growing, you probably want to opt for Mailchimp because you can send emails to up to 2,000 people, and 2,000 is a lot more than 500. But there is a lot that Aweber provides that Mailchimp is lacking. For example, that you can create and send newsletters, you have email automation, you have RRS to email, you have drag and drop email builders, you get HTML emails, you get hundreds of email templates, and you also get a hosted broadcast archive, so you can archive your emails and see them later onwards. Also, the landing pages features are almost the same on both of them. But the email marketing features that you are actually looking for is the basic difference between the free plans, because although Mailchimp on their free version provides you with a lot of quantity, but Aweber, it provides you with more quality, and that is something I've noticed with a lot of email marketing softwares. They're either going to provide you with a lot of quantity and no quality, or it's going to be very high quality but it's going to be very expensive. Now on Aweber, they have their pro version, which starts at $16, and if we were to increase the number to 2,000 to 5,000 subscribers, it's billed annually at $46.15 per month. It's around $47, and I'm going to increase the amount of subscribers to 5,000 over here as well. And the standard version of a Mailchimp is going to cost you $80, and I find that in that situation, Aweber is a lot more reasonable in terms of price as compared to Mailchimp, because the Mailchimp standard does not have anything that is especially different from the Aweber Pro, and I'm gonna talk about it, because if I was to compare their features, you can see that the pro version on Aweber provides you with no branding. You have branded click tracking link. You can track clicks on your website. If someone hovers their mouse over a product for a long time, you can even track that. You also have cart abandonment and purchase tagging. You have behavioral automation. You have email split testing. You also will get a lot of website landing page features and analytics. So you will have email sales tracking, you will have web page tracking, advanced audience and account analytics. You will also get advanced message analytics and simple subscriber and message analytics as well. So in comparison to Mailchimp, their standard version is only providing you with dynamic content, custom templates, behavioral targeting, send time optimization, and customer journey builder plus branching points. So the kind of automation and integration that is available in Aweber is lacking severely in Mailchimp, while they are charging you a lot more. And if you want a comparison to the premium version, if we were to do this on the premium version, it starts at $300 and it's for 10,000 contacts. And I think that you can even compare the pro version on Aweber to the premium version on Mailchimp. And if I was to even up the number of users to 10,000, Still, it's far cheaper to purchase Aweber as compared to Mailchimp. Now, moving on to both of their platforms, this is the basic platform here on Mailchimp, and on the left you have a little toolbar with its icons, and if you hover your mouse you can see the different details. If you go into campaign, you can see all of your campaigns by status. You can view them by type as well. You can also create a new campaign and view all of your previous campaigns. Now, if we go to Aweber over here, you can see the Aweber platform is a lot more appealing to the eye, and I find it less tiresome to work on Aweber as compared to Mailchimp, because the Mailchimp platform is not really that optimizable for your day-to-day use. And to create a campaign here on Aweber, it's a lot simpler, and it's a lot more customizable as well. So let's just say we have our drafts over here, our message drafts are going to be over here. You can see your email template manager. You can design your own template as well as use your smart designer. And over here you can add your website URL, and you can create a template for your emails that matches the aesthetic of your website. So that really is going to help you out in reducing your work as well as having a cohesive aesthetic for your brand or your company. And that is a feature that is absolutely unique to Aweber. This feature is really not provided by any other email marketing software, including Mailgun, MarketLite, all those other email marketing software. Nothing provides something as customizable as Aweber. Now, in general, you can view all of your settings on the left over here. It's very easy. You can view your analytics over here, and it's a lot more clean, I must say. It gives you a clean look as compared to Mailchimp, where I find the theme and aesthetic to be a bit outdated sometimes. I feel like it gets a bit too childish, and it doesn't feel that important or that significant. Now, if we were to take into account other people's experiences, let's go on to Trustpilot and view their ratings. Now you can see Mailchimp has a 1.6 rating on Trustpilot, and it is rated as bad. And you can see a lot of people are facing a lot of issues with Mailchimp, and there are few and little good experiences people have had with Mailchimp. Now let's search for Aweber here on Trustpilot, and Aweber has a average rating of 3.2, so they have a decent rating. It's recommended at least better than Mailchimp, and you can see that Aweber actually replies to the occasional issues that people are facing with their platform. You can see some of these issues Aweber actually has replied and told them and resolved people's issues. While on Mailchimp hasn't replied to a single issue that has been listed here on Trustpilot. So I hope you guys now understand why I'm saying that definitely avoid Mailchimp at all costs. The only situation where I think it's okay to use Mailchimp is that if you don't want to pay for your email marketing and you want some simple emails to be sent out, and you have a subscriber base of more than 500 people, then you can use the free version of Mailchimp. But in any other situation, definitely go for Aweber. And yeah, that is it. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.